Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Taking a quick look at Vechain here. As always, before we begin, please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends. Really appreciate all the support on the channel. And without further ado, we are taking a quick look at the chart. I mean, I've been at a festival for the past week, but holy hell, look what happened. Look at what has happened to Vechain over the past week. This is a crazy move to the downside, isn't it? Basically bouncing in and around this area for a good while here, weren't we? And I was waiting to look for that short position if we did get up to this level here. We obviously came back down to retest here, and I didn't take any positions because I wasn't actually here to take them. But Jesus Christ, since then we've had a real big rollover, haven't we? Obviously lost the low, that low where we were bouncing quite a few times here. We came all the way down towards this area, but we just kept going and going, didn't we? And you can see here, got down to this level, the previous swing low down here, which is the current low of the bear market, and we've actually come down and made a whole new low now. You can see with this massive wick all the way to the downside. I mean, we got down to, what was this, 1.3 cents for Vechain. I mean, holy Christ, this is these are getting some very juicy entries right now. Right now, when you look at you know, basically what we're looking at across the chart here, you can see we're coming into this really nice big area of structure for Vechain in terms of support, all the way back really just before just after we had the big COVID crash of 2020, getting into the bull market. You can see here, this area here was the resistance before the bull market really started. And right now, looking like we really are, excuse me, having a pretty significant move to the downside here. You can see we're in this descending wedge like a lot of cryptos are. We did see a nice bounce for some cryptos in regards to this descending wedge, but it looks like Vechain just fell right out of the bottom of it and had an absolute capitulation event, hasn't it? This is a real crazy move to the downside. You can see on the hourly time frame here, we did have obviously the breakdown backtest of then also the descending wedge, and then this huge capitulation, I'm guessing liquidation event here. Very powerful move to the downside, to be sure. Let me just check the volume on this. Actually, my volume is not. Yeah, there's quite a very significant amount of volume here, isn't there? Really, ever since, you know, back here, Vechain has just been trickling to the downside, but a very large amount of volume on the daily there. And basically looking like it's wicked all the way back up to this previous level of support here, as you can see. We did come down, make a low here, and then get the bounce at the start of the year. Vechain's had this huge roll over there, followed by the bounce. A very big wick rejection of that downside move, coming basically all the way back up to this level here as support. Wicked all the way back up onto here, closed at that previous support, and now having a few days of, you know, you would say a little bit of a relief rally off that bottom. But right now, Vechain looking like, you know, it's definitely coming down, making new lower lows, isn't it? And it's going to be interesting to see what happens next overall for Vechain. But right now, looking not too good at all, and really looking for a bit of relief, aren't we? Heading back up towards potentially that previous level of support, flipped into resistance here, I would say. But Vechain really right now looking for a bull market to start, I think, to get some relief. Bitcoin just grinding to the downside, and basically we are waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching indeed. As always, please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends, and I'll see you in the next video.